Hello, everybody. This is Miriam Bouvet from Houston, Texas. Today, I want to show you how I will use my pendulum to choose essential oil for a wart. Let's go. I am allowed to use the pendulum for Lawrence's wart. The wart he has on his heel. That's a yes. There are essential oils in front of me that are beneficial to help make the wart dry and disappear. Yes. I want to know how many bottles I need to choose. I need to choose 1 bottle, 2 bottles, 2 bottles. Okay. The first bottle is on that part. That's a yes. The first bottle is on that part. No, the first bottle. First bottle is on that part. No. First bottle is here. Yes. First bottle is one of these. Yes. So it's this one, this one, this one. So this is Niaouli. Is the second bottle is this one, this one. Second bottle is one of these. Yes. So is it this one? This one? This one? This one? So yes. Acceptance from Young Living. Okay, now I want to know how he will have to use them. Laurent will have to use them diluted. Yes, diluted. So for 1 drop of Niaouli, I would like to know how many drop of acceptance I need. So for 1 drop of that one, how many drops of acceptance? 1 drop of acceptance, 2 drops, 3 drops, maybe half drop. Half drop. I know. Where did I ask that? Because acceptance is already a blend of a lot of essential oils. So 1 drop of Niaouli, half drop of acceptance. So that's more 1 drop of acceptance and 2 drop of niauli. Now I want to know how many drops in this little roller, how many drops of acceptance I will need. So I need to put 1 drop of acceptance, 2 drops, 2 drops. So 2 drops in that little roll, 2 drops of acceptance, and that makes 4 drops of niauli. So now I want to know how many times a day he should put the blend. So he will put the diluted essential oils once a day, twice a day. So twice a day. I want to know for how long he will have to use the essential oil. So more than a week, less than a week, less than a week. I need to precise the number of days. No, not necessarily. So what I would advise to Laurent is to use it as long as 1 week, unless he could see that the wart is really black and dry before the end of the week. I hope you enjoyed that video, and see you later, alligator.